Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm David. Whether you're listening at home, on the bus, walking, or maybe washing the dishes, we're really glad you chose to spend this time with us.
Today feels a little special, doesn't it?
It does. There's something about this time of year that makes people stop and think. Even if you don't plan to change anything, you still feel it, like a pause.
Yes, a pause is a good word. In English, we often say the year is wrapping up. Wrapping up means finishing something slowly, like wrapping a gift or closing a chapter in a book.
And sometimes when a chapter closes, we feel excited. Other times we feel emotional, or tired, or hopeful, or all of those at the same time.
Exactly. And that's why today we're talking about planning the next year, but not in a stressful way, not in a new year, new you, fix everything way.
Thank goodness.
Right? This is about real life planning, gentle planning, human planning, the kind that actually works.
You know, when I hear the phrase planning the next year, I immediately imagine huge goals, big promises, wake up at 5 a.m., run 10 kilometers, read 100 books, learn 3 languages.
And then feel bad in February.
Exactly. February is where dreams go to rest.
That's such a cultural truth, especially in many Western countries. January is full of energy. Gyms are full, planners are new, pens are fresh. And then life happens.
And we think the problem is that we're lazy, but usually the problem is that the plan wasn't realistic.
Yes. And also, we skip something very important. We rush into the future without looking at the past.
That's interesting because it sounds backwards.
It does, but reflection is powerful. Reflection means looking back and thinking deeply about what happened and how it made you feel.
That word reflection is great for English learners. It comes from the idea of a mirror. You see yourself more clearly.
Exactly. And when we reflect, we don't only look at mistakes, we also look at good moments.
That part is hard for some people.
Very hard, especially people who are learning a language, building a career, raising a family. We're often trained to focus on what's missing.
I remember one year I felt like I hadn't achieved anything. I told myself this year was a waste.
That's such a strong sentence.
It is, but then a friend asked me one simple question. He said, "What made you laugh this year?"
Ah, I love that.
At first, I didn't know what to say, and then suddenly I remembered a road trip, a late-night conversation, a meal that turned into hours of talking.
And those moments count.
They really do. In English, we often call these moments highlights. Highlights are the brightest parts.
That's a great word to teach. A highlight can be a big event, like a wedding, or something small, like a quiet morning with coffee.
And when you write these down, something changes.
Yes, writing slows the brain. It helps your thoughts become clearer.
I've noticed that when I write in English, even simple sentences, I feel more connected to the language.
That's such an important point for our listeners. Planning your life can also be English practice.
You don't need perfect grammar to reflect. You can write, "This year good things. I visited my family. I learned new words. I felt proud."
That's real English. That's useful English.
And it builds confidence.
So after reflection comes something else, choosing direction.
Ah, yes, direction, not pressure.
Exactly. Many people choose too many goals, but our minds work better with focus.
In English, we often say, if everything is important, nothing is important.
That's a wonderful expression.
So choosing one big goal for the year isn't limiting, it's freeing.
And a goal doesn't have to be dramatic. It can be a feeling.
like health or stability or learning.
Or calm.
Calm is a powerful word.
It is. In English, calm means peaceful, not rushed, not anxious.
I chose calm one year after burning out at work, and every time I had a choice, I asked myself, does this bring calm or chaos?
That's such a practical way to use language in daily life.
And that's something learners don't always realize. English isn't just for tests, it's for thinking.
Yes, language shapes how we see our lives.
Once you have a big idea, the next step is making it real.
Through small steps.
Small steps are very English-friendly,
They are. We often say, take it one step at a time.
which means don't rush, don't try to change everything today.
If your goal is better English, a small step could be listening to one short podcast a week.
Or speaking to yourself in English while cooking.
Yes, or writing 5 new words in a notebook.
5 words sound small, but over a year, that's a lot.
And more importantly, it builds a habit.
Habits are interesting culturally. In English-speaking cultures, we talk a lot about habits because they create identity.
We say things like, I'm the kind of person who reads every night.
Not, I read one book.
Exactly. Language reflects identity.
And when you plan your year, you're really planning who you want to become.
That's very beautiful.
Thank you. I didn't plan that sentence.
It sounded very natural.
Speaking of planning, calendars matter.
They really do. A calendar makes time visible.
That's a great phrase. Make time visible.
When something is written down, it feels more real.
And culturally, writing birthdays and holidays is a sign of care.
Yes, remembering someone's birthday in many cultures means you matter to me.
I once forgot my cousin's birthday, and he still mentions it.
Oh no.
Years later.
That's emotional memory.
Exactly. So planning isn't cold or boring, it's emotional.
And planning fun is just as important as planning work.
Absolutely. In English, we say, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
That's a classic idiom.
It means if you only work, life becomes empty.
Rest is not a reward, it's a need.
And when learners plan fun in English, like a trip, a hobby, a class, they naturally practice language.
Which brings us to one of my favorite ideas, the word of the year.
I love this concept.
It's simple but powerful. One word that guides you.
Learn, grow, balance, brave.
And whenever you feel lost, you come back to the word.
It's like a compass.
Yes, and choosing a word helps English learners connect emotion to vocabulary.
Emotion makes language stick.
Always.
Before we finish, I want to say something to our listeners.
Go ahead.
Planning your year in English doesn't require perfect sentences. It requires honesty.
That's so important.
You can write simple thoughts. You can speak slowly. You can repeat yourself.
That's learning.
And learning is not loud. It's quiet and steady.
Like walking, not running.
Exactly.
So, as we come to the end of today's conversation, we want to leave you with something gentle.
Think about one good moment from this year.
Just one.
And think about one word you want to carry into the next year.
You don't need to decide everything today.
Just start listening to yourself.
And if you feel comfortable, share your word in English. Write it, say it, own it.
We'd love to hear it.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're proud of you for learning, listening, and growing.
We'll be here with you, step by step.
Until next time, take care of yourself.
And keep living English in real life.
Bye for now.